Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to redesign and create a second design proposal for the Alfa Romeo Tonale. If you're curious to see the analysis and the first design proposal of the Tonale, check my previous video. I put the card in the corner and also a link in the description. So let's start with the second redesign. Like in the previous video mentioned, Alfa Romeo did a really good job on design theme and proportions of the car. In my opinion, it's one of the best looking SUVs on the market. It looks sporty and is elegant at the same time. The design shows iconic heritage elements like the one line feature on the body side, very well combined and integrated graphics on the front, and of course the legendary 5-circle design wheels. Especially in this redesign, one of my main ideas was to reduce the front overhang and extend the premium gap between the front wheels and the front door shut line. This adjustment will help the car to appear longer, and with additional support of moving the wheels more outside of the wheel arch, the car gets more stance and is better grounded. I softened the lower feature line on the body side to simplify and additionally maximize the focus of the one-line design. In the next steps, I refine the rear overhang by reducing it and changing the angle of the rear tailgate, as it is sticking too much out. Because of the rear adjustments, the C-pillar gets very narrow and pointy, which leads me to my next change, the side window graphic. I decide to lower the rear area of the glass cutout. That will provide a thicker C-pillar and put the focus even more on the long body side feature line. I do like the wide front graphics around the lamps and how they naturally flow into the triangular grille. To highlight this item even more, I increase the size of the grille, make it more prominent, reduce the thickness of the lamps and divide the lower intake into two side intakes. On the front lights, the close interpretation of the rear lamps and bringing the design to the front will allow the car appear wider and even more recognizable. At the end of this redesign, the car stands stronger on its wheels, has even better proportions due to front wheel and rear tailgate adjustments. The face became simpler, more distinctive, and through its big covered areas would fit perfectly for an EV variant. As always, if you enjoy seeing the process of this redesign, stay till the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on the original design and the redesign of the Tonale. Thank you for watching, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video.